Alright guys, tonight we are going to experiment with coffee. Alright, I found this coffee video about Dalgona coffee. I think that's how you say it. And anyway, Tammy was telling my dad about it because my dad's a real specialty kind of coffee drinker, right? And he told us about the way he makes coffee. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make one of the Dalgona coffees. And then I think we're going to try to make my dad's coffee.
Espresso coffee.
It's an espresso coffee. And we're going to see which one pans out the best. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and let Tammy have at it. And we're going to make some Dalgona coffee and some Randy Dado coffee.
Randy Dado coffee?
Randy's dad's coffee.
Okay, all you're going to need for this is some freeze-dried dark roasted coffee, some sugar, and some warm water. And then your choice of milk. I'm going to use half and half today because I don't have any milk, but you can use regular milk, oat milk, 2% milk. It really doesn't matter. Whatever your choice is. Okay, let's get this stove lit. Get us a little bit of water on here because we need some hot water. Okay, I've got good hot water. So let's get started. I'm going to use 2. Actually, I'm going to use 4. I'm going to double the recipe. So we got 4 coffees. I need 4 tablespoons of sugar. And I need 4 tablespoons of water. I'm going to use an emulsion blender because that's what I got. And the other day when I did it, I used a bowl and that stuff went everywhere. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to do it right here. Okay. Using a stick blender doesn't work. It will not firm up or thicken up. So I went and got my whisk. We're going to try that. Oh yeah, okay. Guess we just keep going. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. That's the winner. All right, now let's make us some Dalgona coffee. All right, lesson learned. You cannot use a regular emulsion blender, stick blender. You have to have that whisk. That's what gives it that fluff. So lesson learned. Okay, and you're supposed to put 2 or 3 little small pieces of ice in your glass. There we go. There's our ice. Let's put our milk. And it says fill your glass 2/3 of the way up with the milk. There we go. And then it says to spoon in It is quite pretty, and it is sitting on top. All right, there you have it. Dalgona coffee. Now for the taste test.
Okay, you're supposed to stir this stuff up. Actually, it don't look too bad. It looks like kind of like a chocolate shake of some sort.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. I mean, I kind of like it. I don't know, if I go through all that work, have me a little, tiny little thing of coffee like that.
Whoops.
Yeah. But, yeah, I mean, that'd be good if you was giving somebody like a dessert after dinner. But, I mean, if you're a coffee drinker, and you drink coffee like me and Tammy do, nah. We're going to go back and we're going to try my dad's version of his coffee.
Right.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with that. I'll finish this little bit right up. Maybe by the time I drink this and drink my dad's coffee, I'll be all fired
Really
up.
fired up.
Yeah. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey y'all. All right. Now we're going to make Randy's dad's favorite coffee. And they do this every night as like dessert after dinner. And he keeps telling me, you need to make it, you need to make it, you need to make it. Well, I didn't have, you need a Italian espresso pot. Well, I have one now. So I made this coffee and it is really, really good. To make Randy's dad's coffee, all you need is some Cafe Moro from the Dollar Tree. Now, this one I've had long enough that I only paid $1 for it, but now it's $1.25. Some sugar and some half and half or heavy cream, whichever one you like in your coffee. And, of course, you'll need an Italian espresso maker. All right, first thing you need to do, which I've already done, is fill the reservoir in the bottom with water. Then put your filter in, and then fill your filter with coffee. And make sure that you don't get any coffee out here because it needs to form a seal. Good. Yep, it holds about 3 tablespoons. And then we're going to wipe that off. And we're going to put the top on. Okay, and we're going to get this front eye on because it's a smaller, narrow eye for this small little pot. And we'll want a high flame. And we're just going to set it right there and let it steep.
That's what I'm calling a coffee pot. All right. That right there, that's just enough to tick somebody off. Tick tock, tick tock.
All right, we're going to turn this off now. And we're going to lift it. Look at there. Now this actually according to the book instructions, that is 6 cups of espresso. And his dad makes 2 cups of coffee every evening out of this. On this coffee maker, say that is 6 cups of espresso. And he makes 2 cups of this coffee every evening for he and Randy's mom. This is gonna be some strong coffee, y'all, but we're gonna give it a try. Okay. That look about even? Yeah. Okay. Now the sugar. He said 2 teaspoons of sugar. And give that a stir. And then to slowly pour your half and half into your coffee. All right, honey.
Okay. Wow, this looks like it's full-bodied for sure. It almost tastes like that Dalgona coffee.
Yeah, actually it does.
A lot easier to make though, huh?
Oh yeah, a lot easier to make.
Oh boy, that sucker tastes like it's got a kick in it too.
Oh yeah. I don't use sugar in my coffee, but I think because this is espresso and it's really, really strong, you'd almost have to have some sugar in there.
It's kind of like having a cappuccino, isn't it?
Yeah, kind of.
But yeah, you know, I got to vote for this one. You know, I mean, there ain't a whole lot left.
No, there ain't any left.
Maybe we'll try to make some in this pot.
Yeah. That's good coffee. We make that every day.
And we drink more than that too. Yep, it definitely is good. I'm going to end up chugging this one down.
Don't chug it. You might have a heart attack.
Yeah, well, I feel it coming on, but no, it really is good. Yeah, you ought to try that one. You can go to the Dollar Tree and get you some $1.25 Puerto Rico coffee from
Cafe.
Hoboken, New Jersey. Now that is funny.
Yeah.
Okay. Espresso Cafe El Moro. $1.25. Can't beat it. All right. Well, I guess that's it on the coffee.
Yeah.
And,
yeah.
well, what else?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah. You guys have a great evening. I hope you enjoyed our coffee funnies.
The coffee funnies. Our funny coffees. Yum. I got to finish it.
Oh, no way. No way. No way.
That's some good stuff.
Oh. No. Pop, 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 pop. No. Bye.